I've researched extensively to bring you the most effective dietary choices for managing diabetes. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collards are packed with vitamins and low in carbs, making them perfect for diabetics. Whole grains such as quinoa, brown rice, and oats have a lower glycemic index, which means they won't spike your blood sugar as quickly. Lean proteins like chicken, fish, and tofu are crucial because they help you feel full without affecting blood glucose. Don't forget about low glycemic fruits like berries, apples, and citrus fruits. They satisfy your sweet tooth while providing vital antioxidants. These foods not only help control your blood sugar, but also reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications. Remember, portion control is key even with these healthy options. By incorporating these superfoods into your diet, you're taking a significant step towards better health and diabetes management. Remember, these superfoods are your allies in managing diabetes and improving overall health.